Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to fix error 0xc000000f, then let's look at the solutions. The first one would be is to rebuild the BCD. For that we need to look for command prompt in the search bar. Right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Yes. And input the command BOOTREC space slash REBUILDBCD and press enter. The other solution is to go to command prompt, right click and run as administrator. Yes. And we input the command chk tsk space slash f space slash r and press enter, press y, enter, and this should fix the problem. The error should no longer appear. If the solutions fail, which is very rare, above solutions fail very rarely, then we need to reset the PC. And how do we do that? We'll right click on the start button, look for settings, click on system, click on recovery, and we click on reset this PC. Now, a word of caution here folks, we will have to remove everything because we will start the PC in a fresh configuration. So if you have any personal files, any photos, any data that you have to save for the future, then please back up your data and only then proceed with this solution. So remove everything and click on cloud download. Now what cloud download does is it downloads original copy of Microsoft from the servers, from the Microsoft servers, and it installs Windows. So you need to press on cloud download. A local reinstall is any CD or any flash drive that you have. So it's better to always go for a cloud download because it downloads the original version of Windows from the Microsoft servers. Anyways, I'll click on this next and the following steps, and it should fix the error. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.